Check out Ultimate Play Sand from National Geographic. It feels amazing. It's soft, squeezable, colorful, and kinetic. Play Sand holds its shape so you can build fantastic creations. It comes with 6 awesome molds and in 5 vibrant colors, plus glow in the dark. Cleanup is easy because Play Sand only sticks to itself and it never ever dries out. And there's Dino, Ocean, and Sparkle Sand to play with too. The fun never ends with National Geographic Ultimate Play Sand.
you. Scientific Explorer's mind-blowing science kit makes it possible to create your very own science lab at home. This smartly designed science kit allows young scientists to perform several amazing science experiments that range from erupting a color-changing volcano to growing colorful, jiggly crystals. Young scientists will learn about basic principles behind science, including the difference between acids and bases and how to use a test tube and a pipette. In the mind-blowing science kit, you'll find vegetable oil, citric acid, cornstarch, baking soda, cross-link polyacrylamide, red cabbage powder, 3 color tablets, 3 test tubes, 3 plastic cups, 2 cotton swabs, 2 measuring scoops, 2 sticks, a test tube stand, 1 pipette, and instructions for 11 different amazing science experiments. Kids will amaze their friends as they explore the science behind these truly remarkable reactions. The My First Mind-Blowing Science Kit is recommended for ages 4 and up. Some adult supervision required.